Introduction to bee communication. Bees are fascinating creatures with complex social structures, and their ability to communicate effectively is essential for their survival and efficiency. They use a variety of methods to convey information about food sources, colony status, and other critical aspects of their lives. Understanding bee communication sheds light on their intricate social interactions and behaviors. The waggle dance. One of the most remarkable communication methods used by bees is the waggle dance. This dance is performed by worker bees to share information about the location of food sources with other members of the colony. The dance involves a series of movements and waggles that indicate the direction and distance of the food source relative to the hive. By interpreting the dance, other bees can accurately locate the nectar or pollen sources. Dance direction and duration. The direction of the waggle dance is crucial for indicating the direction of the food source. The angle at which the bee dances relative to the vertical axis of the hive corresponds to the direction of the food source in relation to the sun. The duration of the waggle portion of the dance represents the distance to the food source. Longer dances indicate greater distances. This sophisticated method allows bees to communicate precise and actionable information. Chemical signals, pheromones. In addition to dances, bees use chemical signals known as pheromones to communicate. Pheromones are chemical substances released by bees that influence the behavior and physiology of other bees. For example, the queen bee releases specific pheromones that signal her presence and maintain the social structure of the colony. Worker bees also use alarm pheromones to alert others to threats or danger, prompting defensive behaviors. Trophallaxis. Bees also engage in a behavior called trophallaxis, which involves the exchange of food between individuals. During this process, bees transfer nectar or other fluids mouth to mouth. This exchange not only helps distribute food but also serves as a form of communication. The act of sharing food can convey information about the quality and quantity of available resources, reinforcing social bonds within the colony. Nest maintenance and construction. Bees communicate about nest maintenance and construction through tactile and chemical cues. Worker bees use their antennae to touch and interact with one another, coordinating tasks such as cleaning, brood care, and hive construction. Chemical signals also play a role in nest building, as bees use pheromones to mark areas for specific tasks and ensure that construction materials are properly processed and used. Hive maintenance and health. Communication within the hive extends to maintaining colony health and organization. Bees use pheromones to signal the presence of diseases or pests, prompting other bees to take protective measures. The collective response to these signals helps maintain the overall health and stability of the colony. Queen and worker communication. The queen bee and worker bees have a unique communication dynamic. The queen's pheromones regulate the behavior and reproductive status of the workers. In return, workers relay information to the queen about colony needs and conditions. This mutual communication ensures the effective functioning of the hive. Role of vibrations and sounds. Bees also communicate through vibrations and sounds. For instance, during mating flights, queen bees produce specific sounds to attract drones. Additionally, bees generate vibrations by buzzing, which can convey information about their presence or intentions to other colony members. Evolution of bee communication. The sophisticated communication methods of bees have evolved over time to enhance their survival and efficiency. These methods allow bees to perform complex tasks such as foraging, nest maintenance, and defense. The evolution of these communication techniques reflects the importance of social coordination in bee colonies. Conclusion. Bees employ a diverse range of communication methods, including the waggle dance, pheromones, trophallaxis, and vibrations, to coordinate their activities and maintain colony health. Understanding these communication mechanisms provides insight into the complex social structure of bee colonies and highlights the remarkable adaptability and efficiency of these essential pollinators.